Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear 4th class students, today discuss about money from your activity book, volume 2, page number 9 beta. Page number 9, complete the bill, 4th one. See, item name saree, quantity 3, means number of sarees 3, unit cost, the cost of each saree 650 rupees, then you can find out the total cost. Solution, write down everybody, number of sarees, how many beta? 3. The cost of each saree means unit cost, the cost of each saree, that is equals to 650 rupees. Now you can find out the cost of 3 sarees. The cost of 3 sarees, that is equals to 650 rupees into 3. 300, 3 5s are 15, 5 taking, 1 carrying, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 19, cut it right down. So what we get? 1950 rupees. So the total cost of 3 sarees, that is equals to 1950 rupees. Write down everybody. ₹1,950 rupees. Now next one, item name is bedsheet, quantity 2, unit cost 782 rupees. You can find out total cost. See here, solution, number of bed sheets, how many? 2. The cost of each bed sheet, that is cost 782 rupees. Now you can find out the cost of 2 bed sheets. That is cost 782 into 2. 2 2s are 4. It is the blackboard. 2 8s are 16. In it 6 taking. carrying 1, 2, 7 are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So what do we get? 1564. So the cost the total cost of 2 bed sheets, that is cost to 1564 rupees. Write down everybody. Now next, page number 10. Listen carefully everybody. Which is the better deal? Pick, write it and give your reasoning. See here, listen carefully beta. This is the first value pack. Here 8 into 75 grams. Listen carefully. 8 into 75 means this is multiply. 8 5s are 40. 0 taking, carrying 4. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4. 600 grams. So 600 grams cost what beta? 70 rupees. Now second box. Just listen. Second box. 3 into 200 grams. So what we get? 300, 300, 3 to the 600 grams. What is the cost? 72 rupees. See here. 600 grams value pack. 70 rupees. 600 grams. Same weight. 72 rupees. 72 rupees. So, in it, which is better? First value pack, second box or first box? So, you can tick this like only. Write down in the given box. Write down what I am writing on the blackboard. Write your book. See here, first box. Write down. First box, 600 gram value pack. Cost is what beta? 70 rupees only. Oh, no? Less than second one means second box. I don't know everybody. See. So this bit you can only write down in your activity book. Don't use CW. Did you understand? Now second problem. Here 580 milliliter. What is the cost? 374 rupees. Next second one here. So two are there. 495 milliliter and 85 milliliter. Add it. 495 milliliter plus 85 milliliter. 5 plus 5, 10 carrying 1. 10, 18 carrying 1. So what we get? Here 580 ml and here also 580 ml milliliter. But here cost 356 rupees. So which is better? First one or second one?
Second one.
See here, second one is best. Then write down everybody. Second box, write down. Second box, 580 milliliters costs only 356 rupees. Less than the first one. First one means first box. Write down everything. You can take your second box. Now next one, completed beta. See here, this is very important. Listen carefully, beta. See here, first box contain 4 sets. 4 sets. Cost 500 rupees. Means you can find out the cost of one set. See here. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 0 to the remainder. 4 to the 8. 10 minus 8 to 2. Bring down 0. 4 5 the 20. See here. The cost. One set cost. Shortcut. One set cost is equals to 125 rupees paid. Here how many sets are there? T-shirts. 7 T-shirts. So 7 T-shirts cost 840 rupees. See here. 7 1s are 7. 8 minus 7 1. 4 bring down to the remainder. 7 to the 14. 14 minus 14 0. Again bring down 0 to the remainder. 7 0. So which is better? One T-shirt cost. Second one. So here the cost of one T-shirt 125 rupees. Here the cost of one T-shirt 125 rupees. Second one is better than first one. Now write down second box. Each T-shirt cost 120 rupees only, less than the first one. Now see here. See here, compare the values. 50 gram group project cost is 100 rupees better, just 50 grams. But here 200 grams packet cost 345 rupees. Then see, 50 grams means how many packets we need? 200 grams, 4 packets. So 4 into 50 you can get 200 grams, no? So then 50 gram packet cost 100 rupees. 4 packets of 50 gram brew, that is equals to 100 rupees into 4, you can get to 400. So which is better? First part or second one? Okay, see here, 200 grams. What is the conclusion here? 200 grams is equals to, you can get 400 rupees beta. Here 200 grams is equals to, we will get 345 rupees. So second box 200 grams pack less than 450 grams packets. So this is correct. Now next bit, this is everybody write in your CW. Page number 11, problems and solutions, everybody write in your CW. Write down beta. First write bit name. Convert the following rupees to pies and solve the subtractions. Listen carefully. 52 rupees 45 pies minus 38 rupees 14 pies. See here, listen. First, look at the blackboard. 52 rupees 45 pies, that is equals to, rupees is converted to pies means rupees is multiplied by 100. Means 52 into 100 pies, because 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. See here, remaining pies 45, write down. Then here, so 52 into 100 you can get 5200 pies plus 45 pies. So what we get? 5245 pies. This is the pies. But one simple method is there. Rupees, 52 rupees 45 pies, you can write directly, remove the rupee and remove the point. Then you can write 52 45 means 5245 pies. Now here write down 5245 pies minus 3814 pies. 5245 paper pies. 3814 pies minus. See here, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 8 possible beta? Not possible. So take borrowing from 5, it can give 10, 10 is added to 2, 12. Now here 5 it can last one, 5 becomes 4. 12 minus 8 you can get 4, 4 minus 3 1. So 1431 pies. Now next one. ₹95 42 paise minus ₹74 63 paise. Convert into paise. 9,542 paise minus 7,463 paise. 9,542 paise minus 7,463 paise. See, first subtract the digits in one space, next 10 space, next 100 space, next 1000 space respectively. See here, 2 minus 3 possible, not possible, because 2 is the smaller number than 3. Then we have to take borrowing from 4, it can give 10. 10 is added to 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So here 4 it can last 1, 4 becomes 3. See here, 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. 9. 3 minus 6 possible? Not possible. Take borrowing from 5, it can give 10. 10 is added to 3, you can get 13. 5 it can last 1, 5 becomes 4. 13 minus 6. 7. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. So 2079 paise. ₹87 paise minus 18 rupees 29 paise. Convert into paise. 8,737 paise minus 1,829 paise. Okay? See here. 8,737, 1,829. See here, 7 minus 9 possible? Not possible. Take borrowing from 3, it can give 10. 10 is added to 7. You can get 17. 3 it can last 1. 3 becomes 2. 17 minus 9 you can get 8. 2 minus 2 0. 7 minus 8 not possible. Take borrowing from 8, it can give 10. 10 is added to 7. You will get 17. So 8 it can last 1. 8 becomes 7. 17 minus 8 you can get 9. Next 7 minus 1, 6. So that is equals to 6,908 paise. Write down everybody. This is completed. Now next, 69 rupees 5 paise. 5 paise it can written as 05 minus 34 rupees 10 paise. So convert into paise. 6,905 paise minus 3,410 paise. 6,905 paise minus 3,410 paise. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 1 not possible. Take borrowing 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 9 it can last 1. 9 becomes 8. 10 minus 1 you can get 9. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. So 3,495 paise. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.